Hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. Well, I hope everyone is doing okay. Let's see if I can direct this a little bit more over this direction. That's better. So, today was a good day. As some of you know, I used to be a hairdresser 5 years ago all my life. And I wanted to switch to selling merchandise, some kind of merchandise. I didn't have any idea what kind of merchandise that might be, but that's what I wanted to do. So what I did is I started going to the swap meets and to the junk stores, and it's taken about 5 years, but now 99 cents only. Now, you know, it's been coming along, and that's why I include it, so you guys don't have to go through what I went through. First of all, I used to buy everything in bulk, and I don't do that anymore. I hand pick the stuff. So when you're doing any kind of retail, you have to have retail. So what hurt me during the pandemic is I couldn't shop because I didn't want to catch the COVID. So you saw me, I was out eating a little last night. That was kind of nice. And so now I can shop a tiny bit. Even just a little bit helps, it accumulates. So I got some really nice stuff today, which was amazing. First of all, I got this book, and it may not seem like a big deal. In the first place, it wasn't an expensive book. Somebody was trying to sell this for 75 cents. But all the books I got were $1.25. Today was half price day. But what it has in there that I'm interested in is, see this basket stuff and how they arrange the food. That's what I am interested in for my picnics. And then I bought some little books, and this card came in it, so it's perfect for a placeholder. Then I bought all of these small books. They were like Catholic type books. Like, you know, I could sell these for like 50 cents, but I'm keeping these. But there was a few in Spanish, so I sell those at the swap meet. I might give them away if somebody expresses. Now this looks like nothing, but this actually is an awesome cookbook. And I have one of the little guide to praying the rosary. Now this is really pretty. What happened was, when I was going to the self-help groups, they said you're supposed to meditate, and then, you know, maybe you're going to come in contact with some higher powers. Well, it might be some demigods or something, so I just prayed the rosary. But see the beautiful photos and stuff? I pray that at night for you guys. And let me give you the bread recipes so you guys can take a screenshot. This is awesome. Just take a screenshot real quick. So, the cookbooks were awesome. But this is what I bought that was really, really awesome. Okay, this is a silk dress. I don't know. I can't see. Okay, this dress is brand new, and it retailed for $170, and it comes from Macy's. And inside it has, it's silk, a red silk lining. And this is the kind of stuff I try to find. Brand new, and that evolved. It took me a while to get the hang of this. Brand new, in pristine condition, with the tags. That's the kind of stuff I try to find. And then, you know, I'll sell that on eBay. So say if you find 1 or 2 of those a week, that's really going to help you. I mean, why scrimp and save $20? Why not just try to find a used or a new dress and sell that on eBay? Try to set yourself up a little used items at the swap meet. What I do is I sell all my eBay rejects, you know, at the swap meet. Okay, now for lunch. Okay, yesterday I haven't eaten for 24 hours. That food was delicious and well worth every single penny. But now it's back to earth, back to the diet, and I have discovered a diet that really seems to work for me. Okay, I packed on the pounds. The pounds, you guys, not a few pounds, the pounds, like I have poundage. So I thought, wow, you know, what is worse than a diet? What is worse than being like in a solitary for a year? Well, anyway, so I discovered something that really works, and what it is as much food as I want, as long as it's vegetables and meat. And then what really worked for me last week, and I thought, why would you change this? You just went painlessly for 6 days on a diet, and what I added to the vegetables and meat is unlimited dairy and unlimited fruit. First of all, I'm not going to go crazy on fruit, but if you do, you'll just, you know, eliminate it, which is gross, but most diets say unlimited fruit. Well, who wants to? Okay, but anyway, unlimited fruit. So now, okay, now, yesterday, my sandwich was $10 and my yogurt was $8.10. So, okay, back to the diet, back to the crazy cheap ways, because you get more food if you eat at home. So today I went to Walmart and I want to show you what I bought. Okay, so I bought $12 worth of food at Walmart. Okay, the first thing I bought was 1 pound of Black Forest ham. This is good. I bought a large cottage cheese for $1.74. Walmart has that because I have unlimited dairy, and the dairy really saves you at night. And then I bought 1 large Greek yogurt because there's no ice cream. There's no yogurt, you guys, with hot fudge and strawberries. That's too fattening. But boy, that sure was good. So 1 Greek yogurt. And that was, how much was that? $3.47. And then I bought a package of carrots for 90 cents. And I bought a bag of grapes, a big bag, for, how much were these grapes? $2.76. No, $2.53. But what's really good about these grapes is there is dark purple and light purple seedless. So that is awesome. And I bought 2 bananas. If I don't eat them, I freeze them. And I posted an awesome banana bread on my Twitter and an awesome lemon drizzle cake on my Twitter for you guys, for your tea parties. Speaking of which, let me move in here. So that was $12 from, you cannot beat Walmart, I hate to say it, but it's so much cheaper to eat at home too. Okay, so now what I have ice. And then I had this lemon ginger tea. And so what I did was I brewed up 2 cups, and I thought, why do you keep brewing up 4 cups? You usually drink about 2 cups. 2 cups. And the trick is filtered water and freshly brewed tea. And I've been doing very, very good on the no caffeine because I tell myself, if you drink that stuff, it could be weeks to months, if ever you get off of it again. And the other thing is, it's easier to stay off sugar than to get back off of sugar. Although I'm not suffering today, you know, yesterday I cheated. I'm thinking, you know, if you stay on the diet all week, 1 day of cheating is not going to undo 6 days of pretty strict dieting. Not too strict, because then you're going to fail. Maybe you're not going to fail. I'm going to fail. Okay, so the sandwich was good. I like sandwiches for lunch. So I came up with something, and it's meat and cheese. It's like a sandwich. Here's the chicken I made the other night. I already had one of these. It was delicious. And so I've also come to the conclusion, why not just buy whole-bodied chickens? I have a lot of chicken now, but I will keep my eye out. So here's my roasted chicken. I just drizzle my chicken with oil. Then I sprinkle black pepper and lemon pepper, and I bake 350 until it was done. So now I just want to cut my chicken. This was supposed to be, I think this was Friday night. This was supposed to be like chicken nuggets. And I ate as much as I wanted. So here's my cute lemon plates. I hope they bring the lemon stuff back. Because last year I wasn't expecting it to, you know, fizzle out. And by the time I went to get more, it was gone. So I bought cheese. Now this big block of sliced cheese was $10. And it's been in the freezer, so it's falling apart. So what I want to do is make like a sandwich. Instead of bread, I have cheese, and then I have chicken. It could be lunch meat. It could be that ham over there. What I do is I cut my my lunch meat in half, and I get quite a bit of lunch meat, and then I put cheese on each side. And what I'm kind of doing for now is staying off of the mayonnaise and mustard and just having things plain. Okay, so it doesn't matter if I make a lot because I slide it in the refrigerator. And another thing that's been working is I make big meals, and then if I don't eat it, I just get it out and, you know, then I eat it. So then once you freeze your cheese, it doesn't like to stay together, but it still tastes really, really good. Okay, yummy. So just to let you know, this chicken has made at least 4 meals for me. I save all the little bits and I eat it. Okay, so here's my chicken sandwiches. Okay, now what? Well, okay, what I made was, I made like a little relish tray. See my little relish tray? I've got some radishes, tomatoes, carrots, olives, and there's the grapes I bought. So now, to go with my sandwich, I'll just take what I want and I'll put it on here. So here's what I've got now. So I'm not going to be suffering having terrible food. Is it as good as my sub yesterday? No, but it's good enough, you know? That's what you get for eating too much. Okay, and then I want to make a little, I bought this Caesar salad mix. And so I have another one of these plates, and I want to, you know, put my, and then I bought hummus at 99 cents only, and this is for dipping the carrot sticks in. These little things make all of the difference so that you don't freak out and cheat. Because nothing is worse than a miserable diet. So, I think these are about $1 out here. So, I knew I was making chicken. So I said, okay, awesome. I will have a Caesar salad. Not too heavy on the lettuce. That's one of the things that make me hate my diets. And then on my veggie tray, I have tomatoes. And I have some radishes. And then this comes with this is the so it comes with Parmesan cheese. This is one of the things I'm going to be buying if I don't keep forgetting. So I'll put some, oh, they give you two. That's awesome. I'll put some, a couple of, I'll just put the croutons in the middle because that way I won't get soggy croutons. And then here is my dressing. They give you a lot of dressing in these. You know, you would think, oh, it's not going to be enough. It really is. Not too heavy on the dressing. Not too heavy on anything that's a little bit fattening, but heavy enough so that you can survive the day. So basically, this is pretty much enough food for 2 days. Okay. And then, you know, I have the grapes. I'll put the grapes over here. And I also have bananas. And what that is for is to go with the Greek yogurt. No ice cream, that's a no-no. So what I'll do now is I will stay on this as long as I can. If it's 3 days, good. At the 3-day mark, I might switch over to another couple. I have like several diets that really work. I think this is one of the best ones because you're not going to be deficient in any nutrients eating this. I have felt pretty good. Not as good as I did last night after that great food I had, but you know, you feel pretty good and you're not going to freak out. And so, okay, you guys, please like, comment, and survive. Subscribe. If you got anything out of this, please give me a thumbs up. And comments are greatly. Oh, I want to say hi to the lady from El Cajon. If you come back here, you will go to the grinder and then to the yogurt mill. I guarantee you. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And God bless you all.